home improvement projects to tackle this summer. Have you caught the summer home improvement bug? Before you whip out all those tools and brushes, you need to know which projects have the biggest impact on your home's value. Hi, I'm Mark Hewitson. I'm with Maryland Real Estate Professionals and RE/MAX Realty Plus, and we have Central Maryland covered. And in our latest blog, we share 7 weekend projects that can really pay off. One of my favorites is just look at the landscaping, clean up the outside of the house, pay attention to your front door, and even more important, my wife just finished painting the shutters on the front of our house, and it really makes everything pop. Get the outside clean and looking nice. That's probably the most valuable thing you can do right off the bat. First impressions are super important. Now you can find the complete list of all the home improvements we recommend by clicking on the link in the caption below or going to www.mdreprosblog.com. And if you want to know how specific improvements can impact the value of your home, just reach out to us for a complimentary consultation. We'd love to help you maximize the impact of your home improvement investment. Hakuna Matata. It means no worries for all your real estate days. Don't hesitate to reach out to us at all if you have any questions about your home or what you should do to improve it. I look forward to talking to you next week. Take care.